it's your girl Jen, and today we are doing a styling video. A styling video that I've always wanted to do because I'm like a maximalist. I like a lot of stuff and I like to hoard, and I feel like I'm always under this illusion that I need choices and options and that it gives me security. But when it comes to clothing, too many options is actually quite crippling. So I thought I would minimize and just wear these selected items on this rack. So for my capsule collection, I did a mix of items that were already in my wardrobe, and I thrifted some pieces as well. These are from ThredUp, and huge shout out to ThredUp for sponsoring this video. ThredUp is an amazing online consignment store where they literally carry thousands of brands. It's exactly like thrifting, but you don't actually have to go and get overwhelmed in a store. You can just like filter out your size, the brand you want, the texture, the color, and then it'll search all that for you and then present the best options. I am obsessed with this because even when I go to a thrift store, I always love stores where they at least like categorize the size, you know? So it's really amazing that they filter that all out for you, and then you can save those filters. And so when you shop again, it's already saved and you can just do it with your fingertips. So easy. It is a huge misconception that good style is all about splurging and getting huge investment pieces all the time, but I don't think that's true at all. You can have great style even with minimal options. So without further ado, these are the pieces that I'll be wearing for the next 2 weeks. So this is my first top. I wanted something very basic and very comfortable. I love the fact that this is in like this nice knit material, and this is from the brand UNIF, and I got this for $24.99 when the estimated value was 90 bucks. Next up, I picked out this linen top from ZARA. I mean, it was advertised as a jacket, but immediately I saw it as a top. I love things that are just really crisp and clean, and normally linen tops cost a fortune, and at ZARA this was estimated at $66, but I got it for $33.99, which is essentially 50% off. So my next top is this long sleeve one from Urban Outfitters. I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, this looks kind of like the Olympics, like the Winter Olympics and Tommy Hilfiger. So I knew I had to get it. This was estimated at $45, but I got it for $14.99. I wanted to have a maxi dress option in case I was going to somewhere a little bit more civilized, like an event or like a nice dinner. And I thought that this maxi dress from MINKPINK was perfect because first, I love a wrap dress. I think they're so flattering, and I loved the print on this. The dress was estimated to be $60, but I got it for $12.99. So this is the only skirt that I picked out, and this one is by TOPSHOP. I thought that the pastel pink would be perfect for the spring, and it's also a super flattering silhouette on me. So this skirt was estimated to be $60, but I got it for $14.99, which is 75% off. And if you guys are interested in shopping at ThredUp for yourselves, I do have a code you can use. It is Jenn, and you get 30% off your first order. So make sure you hit the description box so you can discover your personal style on ThredUp. I also added a turtleneck just to have a thicker fabric because it's not, I mean, it gets a little cold at night. And I thought that this would be a good layering piece or just a piece to wear on its own. So this is my outerwear option. I just chose this moto jacket because honestly, moto jackets have this magical ability to be casual but formal at the same time. It's bizarre, but I thought that this one would be perfect to be my only jacket. For pants, I've got two styles. First, I have my fancy pants. These are in kind of like a micro gingham print. I thought that this would also be one of those pieces that can be worn up or down. I feel like a statement trouser is essential. My next pair of pants are just some solid jeans. These are my favorite jeans because they're so comfortable. I love that it's kind of like in this lighter wash, and they feel like second skin, to be honest. It was pretty easy to select my bags because I pretty much rotate only these two. It was really hard narrowing down the shoes, but I chose my white Nikes because honestly, I wear these all the time. They literally go with everything and they're so comfortable. And my other shoe option are these black lace-up boots. These are kind of like Doc Martens, but I mean, they're not Doc Martens at all. But I like the fact that it has a heel because I don't know when Doc Martens will ever look good on me, but these black boots will do. All right, guys, let's start making these outfits.